Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collaborate in real time in Goodnotes in 2026. If you want to work on notes with others in real time, Goodnotes makes collaboration simple and powerful. So let's see how to do it just by following some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna search for the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna click on install, and after that you're gonna open the app and make sure you log in with your Google account. After you open the page, now you're gonna open your documents in the Goodnotes. For example, I'm gonna open a document like this. Then you're gonna tap the share button. It's like the export button. You're gonna click on it like this. It says share and export. Now this option that shares and exports, you're gonna click on share, and here you can invite people. You can enable collaboration or sharing permissions. Then you're gonna send the link. You're gonna select or toggle on the option shareable link like this. And then it will give you a link to copy. You're gonna click on copy link. And as you can see, the link is copied to your clipboard. Now you're gonna send the link to others and they can open the documents and edit in real time with you. Make sure to change like full access and use collaboration for group projects. Also set proper permissions like view or edit, and communicate while editing to avoid conflicts. Now real-time collaboration makes teamwork easy and efficient, so use it to study or work together seamlessly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.